Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of microSD card to compare two top contenders from Samsung, the Pro Ultimate and the Pro Plus. Let's see how these two will perform. Are these cards as fast and reliable as they claim to be? Let's find out.
First up, let's take a quick look at the specs. Both cards are made for tasks like recording 4K videos, taking lots of photos quickly, and gaming. The Pro Plus has already been tested a few times before, so now we're checking how it compares with the Pro Ultimate, which is said to be a bit faster with up to 200 megabytes per second, compared to the Pro Plus 160 megabytes per second. We're using CrystalDiskMark to test sequential and random read-write speeds. This gives us a synthetic but consistent way to measure performance. As you can see, the Pro Ultimate edges out the Pro Plus in sequential speeds, but how much does this difference matter in real-world use? Next, we're simulating real-world scenarios. First, transferring large video files to the card, and then a large number of MP3 files. Now we are transferring the large video files and the MP3 files back to the PC from the SD card. The Pro Ultimate finished to read the large files 24 seconds faster than the Pro Plus, but when it came to smaller files, the difference was negligible. Also, the Pro Ultimate completed to write the large files 28 seconds quicker. However, it finished to write the small files 7 seconds slower. Samsung claims these cards are resistant to water, extreme temperatures, and even X-rays. While I don't have an X-ray machine, I did dunk them in water and test them after. Both cards survived without a scratch, living up to their claims. Finally, let's talk about the price and value. The Pro Ultimate usually costs a bit more than the Pro Plus, on average about 10 to 20% higher, depending on storage size and retailer. If we break it down by cost per gigabyte, the Pro Plus offers better value for money, especially for everyday use like storing photos, videos, or games. However, if you need faster and more reliable write speeds for professional work, like 4K video editing or burst photography, that extra cost for the Pro Ultimate might be worth it. Find the links in the description below. So, which one should you pick? If you're a professional photographer or filmmaker who needs the fastest speeds, the Pro Ultimate is the way to go. But for most users, the Pro Plus offers excellent performance at a lower price. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which card would you choose? See you in the next one.